Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about the HTML attributes. So in HTML attribute, let me first tell you about what is attributes are all about. Attributes, you can say something like properties. What is a property of a particular thing? For example, let us take an example of a mobile phone. A mobile phone has different kinds of properties. For example, a mobile phone could be your own Android phone, could be in various color. It could be in blue, black, white, or in red. In any color, your Android smartphone could be in any size, 5 inch, 5.5 inch, and in other variant. Same way, in the HTML also there are many numerous tags which also has attributes or properties associated with it, and we can use those properties or attributes to enhance that tag in our website. So let's proceed further to see what are HTML attributes actually. Now here you can see attributes provide additional information about an element. So yes, it's very much clear over here that attributes are something which are providing to us some kind of additional information about a particular element. Let me tell you, the element that we are talking over here is somewhat a tag. In the further slide I will be telling you with some example what is that all about. Now in the second point it says that attributes are always specified in the start tag. So this point is very important to understand, that where we have to write these attributes in a tag, where we have to specify this. So it is said that attributes are always specified in the start of the tag. And the third point says that attributes come in name, value, pairs like name is equals to in double quotes value. Now here we can understand this syntax of name is equals to in double quotes value, that name could be anything, any name you can give. For example, age, and the age you can pass some value, 35, 40, 50, any age you can pass down. So name will be some of the terminology that you will be using, and that term will be related, that will be having some or the other kind of value. So let us try to let us have some example to understand this particular thing. Now the example is in front of us. Here we can see it's a normal syntax over here. Here we can see there is paragraph tag title is equals to in double quotes its description, then its content, and the paragraph tag is being closed. Now this paragraph tag I have already discussed in the earlier videos, so you can go and refer and check all those videos what paragraph tag is all about. So here this is what paragraph tag tells, that in paragraph you can give title, you can give description, and you can give also content associated with that. So here the title that you are seeing, title is equals to description, this is the additional information. This is the attribute of a tag. In the first point, if you can see that attributes provide additional information about an element. So element over here is paragraph tag, and additional information here is description, and attribute is the title. So let me friends tell you with some example practically. So now we will be going to the notepad plus plus, and here you can see I have already written one code, paragraph, title, and in double quotes it's empty. So here you can write hello heading, or you can just write heading. Okay, and here it was supposed to be written, so title is equals to description, and here it was supposed to be written the content, and here content you can write anything, that this is my first HTML title example. So this is the content that we have given randomly, just to explain you all what it's all about. Okay, so now we will be going to save this code, and in this code we will going to be saving. We have to go to file, we have to click save, and then we can save. I will be saving up in a particular folder which I have created. So this is my folder where I have created saved the whole, yeah, this is I think my folder, yes. So in this folder I will be giving this name, for example test4.html. so we have to give this .html extension with every associated file, and then we will click on save. Now this file has been saved. Now we will go to the folder, and we will go to the folder, and there we will finally execute this in a particular browser, Google Chrome, and it's opening, loading, and here's the example in front of us. This is my first HTML title. Now here you can see, friends, let me first of all take you to the Puri Padhai website. Here you can see there is some text written. In about us there is some text written, but as soon as I am taking my pointer of the mouse above the text, there is nothing displaying. But the code that we have written over here, you can see that this is my first HTML title example. This is being shown, but where's the title that we have written, heading? See, as soon as we take the mouse above this text, heading is there. So for example, if you do not want to write heading or display heading of a particular paragraph or a content, then you can use this paragraph title tag to display that heading, and as soon as a user will come on your website and they will try to check what this content is all about, then they can see that it's a heading. So we will try to edit this example. For example, let me copy this. So we are modifying it, and let's go back to our previous code. Here we will paste that content, and we will copy about us, and here we will be pasting up, and we will be saving by Control S. And now we will be going back, and we will be reloading from here, and here you can see again this is a paragraph. A user came to your website, and that person takes the mouse pointer above this paragraph to know what is it's all about, or he is just hovering it all over the text. So as soon as he takes, see, there's a pop-up type of thing that about us is written. So a person will come to know, the user will come to know that it's about us, it's something about us. So learners, I think you would have been able to get clear what this is all about, what paragraph title says. So I think the HTML attributes would be clear, and the paragraph title would be clear to you. So thank you, learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.